What's happened?
It's been so many years since he bought this, and
Speaker reset switch
Yeah, you've had this thing for a long time.
for quite a while.
ever since when he bought this off Amazon, pissed off that one guy.
Yeah.
Just this case alone. The motherboard he found.
Oh yeah, eBay or Amazon. Okay.
Moments of truth.
Power button. 1,
2,
2, 3.
Everything's on. Fan is on. Smoke. I smell something burning. That might just be the plastic. I think it's actually running now. Put my face here. Boom! That was so.
With the minutes most, remove the power.
This
Grab the block and the cord. At any time, notice if something happens, you pull the plug, and I mean pull the plug. Something goes kablang or any other deal. Everything's booting up pretty good. Let me see.
Look at them strip LED lights on that.
That's all 6 cords. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5.
It lights up how many cores there are.
This must be max or something.
I think it's running pretty smoothly now.
Which I like. I put a not a CPU, but a TV or something like that. I think it's going to put a lot more power stress from the graphics card.
Which one's graphics card?
This one right here.
Yeah, my mom had to buy 2 of those already because the games I play, the graphics card.
Does she still have any spares, or did she throw them away?
Throw the bad ones away.
Wow.
I think she threw them away. I don't know.
Fucking bad.
What do you do with the bad ones?
They're
We'll use them to
still-
build computers,
They're still good.
if they're still good.
I think she threw them away. I don't know.
That was just really weird how it did that. But I think it's because it was too warm or some oils or something. I don't know.
Might have been brand new. 2.
It's like that one powers here, and then this one.
That's the CPU fan.
Like, is it sucking air or blowing air here?
It's sucking and blowing it out the sides.
Oh, it's sucking it in
It's
and blowing
sucking
it out
in
here.
and blowing it out.
So,
All corners.
And I'm going to do this. 2 prong. And number 3, I'm going to go like this.
I just really want to see that front light up, but that's just me.
that one's on, and I'm gonna smoke it.
Is that the front one that you just plugged in?
Mm-hmm.
Looks sick. It looks really sick.
What did it stick after I'm done?
1F. Oh, I think it's because you plugged one in the wrong spot.
I have a feeling, yes.
I think that's what happened. But I think it's probably too big, but we can probably find a way to get it to fit.
HD light. Yep.
Do you know what a
HD light. I'm gonna put the HD light. There's no HD light.
what a vapor is? A vapor.
Yeah. Pen?
Not the,
Reset switch.
I know.
not the small
Uh-uh.
ones. I want the big ones.
I know.
Artificial insemination. I just
I know.
got the video up.
I know. From that one freaking.
You still recording?
Yeah, I'm still recording.
Just kind of let it sit here and
See what the hell it
Are
does.
you just gonna leave this while we're gone, or?
no, I don't want to run it while it's doing this.
Well, it's in the
It's in
in
this
dirt
mode.
and dust out here, just for a little
Are you
while.
gonna take it back in soon?
In a
Yeah,
little while.
After it's
Do you want me to go get the other fan, the one back, the exhaust?
oh shit, it's actually cool.
Yeah,
It's hot, but it's cool
It's
on the
cool.
bottom of the CPU.
it's blowing cold air out. Oh no shit, it's cold outside.
That's still cool.
Mhm.
To the touch.
This? I'd
No,
rather
it's
not
heating.
touch anything.
It's heating up.
Okay. So what else do you need to do for this testing? Or is this basically ready to go?
At the moment, I need to get
Oh, don't
things
forget
set.
about the case closed. That right there.
This might go.
Because it's open.
Yes, the switch. That switch.
For the
wanna
open
test
case deal.
Where do you plug that
Oh,
one in?
that
Over there?
they have one of you know that one that I was playing Bejeweled on that I put in all those cheats on when
wet
we
right
had to go
here.
return it?
Hmm?
You know
It's
that
wet
one
here.
that we were playing
Mhm.
Bejeweled on that had a case open button on it too.
Mhm.
That one that I was playing that we were playing Bejeweled on.
But what does this button do?
The Lenovo.
Yeah.
What is this
Mhm.
button supposed to do?
That it's a chassis invasion. He'll log it inside the BIOS. Okay, positive is yellow. Okay, so I need to put this. I can't mess these fucking things up. Let's go kablooey.
Kaboom! We be injured.
Yellow.
Say goodbye going Whiskey Creek tonight.
Okay, positive. Yes. Okay.
No smoke,
Okay,
no
reset.
fire. You. This is a nuclear bomb. So is it ready to go?
Okay, hold on.
Unplug?
Oh, there's the overclock button for the thing that you hook in.
Up top.
Oh, I do
make
have my
sure.
permit. No, it's the dress.
From your pocket.
I want to make this. There's an info deal and two lights that turn on. I'll figure out what those are. There's fan one. Where's fan one?
Ground TPA.
Oh, that's in the front.
So this one is a completely different set than this one? Because that's Assassin and this one's Ram.
Hmm?
That's Assassin and